Imagine a world where technology doesn't just assist, but intelligently collaborates, predicts, and innovates. Welcome to the era of AI integration. This isn't about machines taking over. It's about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to enhance and revolutionize other technologies. From the Internet of Things to cloud computing, from automation to data analysis, AI is not just a standalone marvel, but a transformative tool that amplifies the capabilities of other technologies. In the health sector, it's predicting diseases before they strike. In logistics, it's optimizing routes in real time. In entertainment, it's personalizing content to individual tastes. The possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. We're standing at the dawn of a new epoch, where AI integration is not just a buzzword, but a tangible force driving innovation. AI integration isn't a far-fetched dream, but a reality reshaping our world. AI integration is more than a buzzword, it's a game changer. Here are some real-world examples. Let's start with healthcare, where AI has brought about revolutionary changes. Diagnosis and treatment have become more accurate and efficient thanks to AI. For instance, Google's DeepMind Health is working on improving the time-consuming process of eye disease diagnosis. By analyzing thousands of retinal scans, the AI system can identify signs of diseases like diabetic retinopathy and age-related macular degeneration, expediting the diagnosis process. Moving on to logistics, AI is making waves here too. Take the example of UPS, which uses AI to optimize its delivery routes. They've developed a system called Orion, on-road integrated optimization and navigation, that analyzes numerous possible delivery routes and selects the most efficient one. This not only saves time and fuel, but also reduces the company's carbon footprint, making it a win-win for all. In the entertainment industry, AI is redefining the way content is created and consumed. Netflix, for instance, uses AI to provide personalized recommendations based on a user's viewing history. This significantly enhances user engagement and satisfaction. But AI in entertainment is not just about recommendations, it's also helping in content creation. Companies like Scriptbook are using AI to predict the success of a movie script, helping producers make informed decisions. These examples only scratch the surface of AI integration. From detecting credit card fraud to powering virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is deeply embedded in our everyday lives. It's improving efficiency, boosting accuracy, and fostering innovation across various sectors. Indeed, the transformative power of AI integration is undeniable. It's not just about automating tasks or crunching data faster. It's about combining human intelligence with machine efficiency to solve complex problems and create more value. As we continue to integrate AI with various technologies, the possibilities are endless. These examples illustrate the transformative power of AI integration. The future of AI integration is not just fascinating, it's revolutionary. As we look ahead, we see an array of transformative applications. Consider autonomous vehicles. AI integration here promises to enhance safety, reduce traffic congestion, and even reshape our urban landscapes. Now picture smart cities where AI integration could optimize energy use, reduce waste, and create safer, more efficient urban environments. It's not just about making our lives easier, it's about creating sustainable futures. And let's not forget advanced robotics. With AI integration, robots are set to perform tasks more accurately and efficiently, from delicate surgeries to heavy-duty manufacturing. The economic and societal impacts of these advancements could be profound. They have the potential to boost productivity, foster innovation, and create new job sectors. But they also pose challenges, including ethical and privacy concerns, that we must address. The future holds limitless possibilities for AI integration. Let's embrace this future, responsibly harnessing AI's power to create a better world. AI integration is more than a technological advancement. It's the dawn of a new era. As we've journeyed together through this video, we've explored the concept of AI integration, its real-world applications, and the exciting future trends on the horizon. We've seen how AI is not just a solitary field, but a powerful tool that, when integrated with other technologies, can lead to breakthroughs we've only dreamed of. The fusion of AI with technologies like the Internet of Things, cloud computing and robotics is reshaping industries, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. As we stand on the brink of this new era, let's not forget that the future of AI integration is not set in stone. It's being written by innovative minds like yours across the globe. Embrace the AI revolution. Join this journey of discovery and innovation because the future isn't just coming, it's here.